What's up everybody, I'm Fresh, I'm back from SEMA. We had a great time at this year's show. We got to meet a lot of new friends, and as usual, I didn't get to see everything I wanted at the show, and I didn't get to meet all the people I wanted to meet, but nonetheless, we had a great time. One of the big events this year at this year's show was the Glassparency reveal. This company has been building some massive hype for the past few months on social media that you've probably seen out there for something that is going to revolutionize the detailing industry.
It's something that's truly going to take your business and the industry to the next level. We look forward to seeing all of you that are coming.
What they revealed is an aftermarket warranty program. Now, I was one of 20 individuals present in New York back in April where Ray Duran first presented this program. After it was presented, I had a lot of questions, I was a bit skeptical, and I really didn't understand what warranties were in the first place or why this program is different. So I know that there's probably a lot of you out there feeling the same way that might have heard about the program and maybe feeling like, what is this? So in this video, I hope to lay out the program for you, explain the benefits and value for consumers, and if you're a detailing business owner, what this could be for your business. Now, if you're a consumer and you've just bought a new or used car from a dealership, you've probably been offered one of these warranties from that dealership. It's usually paired with a product or a protectant. And if you're a detailer, you know that most of these products or protectants that they use are usually complete bullshit. And the installation of these products are even worse. Over the years, we've fixed so many dealership detailing botch jobs. It's sad, it's embarrassing as a detailer to be clumped together in the same industry as these guys. It's so bad that we have to tell our customers who are buying new cars to tell the dealership not to even touch the car. Don't do anything to it. Don't detail it, don't wash it, just don't touch it. The warranties that they sell can be confusing. They use pushy sales techniques to intimidate buyers into purchasing something that they might not even know anything about. It's littered with fine print, and they can make it difficult to claim your warranty in case something does happen. This is why Transparent was created. It's coverage for your car covering all those oopsies. Our customers who come into our shop, they're here to keep their car looking beautiful, and we can do all our services to the vehicle. We can give it a fighting chance out there to battle against the roads and all the weather elements. But what happens when you get a door ding, or you hit a curb with your wheel and you get a little bit of road rash? Or what happens when you get a tear in your leather seat? What happens if you lose your keys? Transparent warranties are transparent throughout every aspect of the process, including coverage, pricing, claims. So it's a product that you can feel confident buying. So a transparent warranty is a guarantee. It's issued to the purchaser promising to repair or replace something as damaged, lost, or stolen. As a consumer, you have to decide if a warranty is a good value for you or not. A perfect example would be a cell phone. When you buy a cell phone, they offer you a warranty, and if you're the kind of person who is always misplacing or dropping your phone, then a warranty that will replace your phone in case it breaks, you lose it, or if it gets stolen is probably going to be of value for you. One of the first things that popped into my head after hearing the warranty program was that I don't want to be some pushy sales guy selling insurance. But after I learned about the prices, the packages, which I'll go over in a little bit, and Ray explaining his background and vision for the company, I began to realize that this is just creating another option for consumers who are already buying these type of warranties. It's giving detail shops who have built their businesses with integrity, honesty, additional options to provide their customers with value. And they'd be fighting back these dealerships who are providing overpriced and undervalued offerings. Transparent isn't a pushy salesperson. Now I'm gonna go over briefly the different types of coverage that Transparent has laid out, and I'm not here to sell you on the value of these packages. That's totally up to you and your customer, whether it's a value to them or not. But if you're gonna be purchasing a new or used vehicle and considering a warranty, you should definitely be comparing your options. You can go to the Transparent website for a full comprehensive list of what these warranties will cover. It only takes a couple minutes to get pricing options for your particular vehicle and compare it to what the dealership is offering. Now, Transparent has 8 different coverages available. You can package them together or you can buy them individually. You can choose your term from 1 year to 5 years. There's no deductible, there's no out-of-pocket expenses for any of these warranties. If you need a rental car while your car is being repaired, they will pay for up to 3 days of rental reimbursement. They also have a flex pay option that will spread the payments out to a very low monthly payment. If you want to cancel the warranty, it's pretty easy. You just stop paying for your coverage and then it's terminated. There's no obligation, there's no automatic renewal. I'm telling you, this program, it's truly transparent and it's really refreshing to see. They're building a brand and trying to regain the trust of consumers. I am a transparent representative. I've built my business for the last 16 years with integrity and honesty, and I'm proud to be working with a company with those same values. The individual warranties include a key fob replacement warranty, which covers the cost to repair or replace a lost, damaged, or stolen key fob. My GTI that I just bought came with 2 key fobs. I lost a key fob within the first couple of weeks having the car, and now I'm down to 1 key fob. The cost for 5 years of key fob replacement is $169. I'm not going to go into depth about each one of these options. The prices will vary on the type of vehicle you have. You can go to the website and get all the pricing information for each of these coverages I'm about to tell you about. They have paintless dent repair coverage, headlight replacement, exterior and interior protection, glass replacement coverage. They have paint protection film coverage. If you have something that pierces your film and damages the paint underneath the paint protection film, if you have this coverage, Transparent will pay to have the panel repaired and reinstall the paint protection film. The last one that they have is tire and wheel protection. For right around $399, you can insure your wheels against road rash, punctures, and other unforeseen road hazards. That package will cover you for 5 years and up to $5,000 in repairs. If you're a consumer, you can go right to the Transparent website and submit your information and be one of the first ones to get these warranties for your vehicle, as well as receive a promotional offer at participating locations. Or if you're in the Chicago area, you can come see us, get your vehicle warranted today, because we do have special access to the platform. If you're a detailing shop owner, this is another value service for you to offer your clients. Customers know and trust you to keep their cars looking good and keep them protected. These coverages are an extension for the services that you're already providing. We all know stuff happens. We all have had those customers that love their cars and they're doing the right thing by putting paint protection film and ceramic coating on the car, and then they come in a couple months later with, like this defeated look on their face that something happened. They got a dent, they hit a curb, a rock chip in the glass or something, or maybe they scratched a leather seat or punctured a leather seat, whatever. Something happened to the car and it's not perfect anymore. And now you have an option to give them the security that if something does happen, you have them covered. I'm sure you're going to have other questions about this and how the program works. You can reach out to me. You can join the Facebook group for Transparent Installers. I'll leave all those links in the description below. You have to qualify to become a Transparent Warranty Specialist. They do not accept everybody, but if you want to become a Transparent Warranty Specialist, go to their website. You can apply right through there. If you're accepted, you'll go through the Transparent Academy, which will teach you everything that you need to know and educate your clients about all these different coverages. Thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate it. Leave a comment below, and we'll see you next time.